is a piece that I composed myself. It's a piece I composed on Wednesday, actually, so it makes its debut today. It's a piece very much written for the triple harp, with the style of the triple harp. And it's a thing of all the compositions that I do very much are influenced by the tradition. It's the unbroken oral tradition, the oldest unbroken oral tradition in all of Europe. It's centuries old, it's been passed teacher to student, as Shelley said, through all those generations. And I'm very, very lucky to inherit that tradition. And for me, I don't believe in changing and veering away from the tradition too much. I think it's beautiful, I think it very much stands up in its own right, and we don't tend to mess around with classical music in the way that some folk musicians seem to be doing. I'm not necessarily saying that's a bad thing, there is a place for it, but for me, I love the tradition, and the way I build upon it is with compositions that pay homage to the tradition. And currently I'm in the process of writing my first album, and I decided within that album to kind of explore my connection with Hereford. Hereford used to be part of Wales, and my parents are Welsh. I'm very proud to call myself Welsh, but I've always gone, well, I live over the border, so am I? And this selection of pieces that I'm writing kind of explores that connection with Hereford and Wales, and indeed my own connection with Hereford and Wales. So this is a piece inspired by one of my favourite places in Herefordshire, which is called Blackfriars Priory, and it's these beautiful, beautiful ruins just outside the town that everyone seems to miss, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the ruins of Blackfriars Priory.